Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will upgrade my old terracotta planter into a new one. So let's get started. First and foremost, I will start it with a coat of gesso on it. Now I will allow it to dry completely. Once it dries up, I will apply any color of my choice. Here I am using red acrylic color. You may color it with any color of your choice. Here I am adding some details to my planter. For some more detailing, I am using black outliner. Now, with the help of white outliner, I am making some stitch design on this shoe planter. Don't forget to apply a coat of varnish after completing the painting. So stay tuned for more such updates. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.